Experience a private retreat filled with mid-century charm and complete with a large, entertaining backyard in a highly sought-after Lake Oswego neighborhood. It's ideally situated within walking distance to top-rated Lake Oswego High School and Junior High. You'll also enjoy easy access to amenities from the Oswego Lake Country Club to the charming shops, boutiques, and restaurants in downtown Lake Oswego. From the inviting, custom-designed front porch, head inside and discover expansive windows, providing a light-filled interior with an open design, original hardwood floors, and an easy, flowing floor plan. The heart of the home, the updated kitchen, features granite counters and updated stainless steel appliances. The iconic family room includes a gorgeous vaulted wood ceiling, abundant natural light, and a stone fireplace. The private main floor primary suite is well appointed with a remodeled ensuite bath. It's complemented by 2 additional bedrooms and another fully remodeled bathroom. Downstairs, a versatile canvas awaits your personal touch, offering a large family room, 2 bedrooms, a separate private entrance, and another remodeled bathroom. Plus a large utility room with abundant storage. The backyard patio is ready for entertaining large or small gatherings, with 2 well-placed garden sheds, a fire pit, and plenty of room for family fun, plus your lovely gardens. And you'll find an impressive 60-foot-long covered RV parking bay. Relish modern comfort and remarkable aesthetics in this truly exceptional residence. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.